Hi everyone, it's happening soon, the season of Spanish dance and music, 11th to the 19th of November. And here's where you'll get to train, learn, and enjoy Spain's vibrant culture and lifestyle. I'm Tanya from Spanish Dance Singapore, and I'm delighted to organize this event here in Singapore and to invite a special guest artist from Madrid, Paloma Gomez, to spend this time with us. What will you get to experience during this season? We'll have a series of workshops, open studios, as well as performance showcase, a little bit of F&B for us to get together and enjoy it with friends, family, and audience. Let me share what you can learn during the workshops. You'll have an immersion into a wide variety of Spanish dance styles. By the way, did you know that there are different styles of Spanish dance? I think most of you know flamenco already. But here's where you'll also get to experience classical Spanish dance, which is danced to the beautiful music of great composers like Manuel de Falla and Isaac Albéniz. There's also what we call Escuela Bolera, which is more balletic. We dance it in ballet shoes and with castanets. We also have the folk dances of Spain because Spain has different regions and each region has their special dance. So there you go. In these workshops, you'll get a dance immersion into different styles, and it's a great chance to do so all within 1 week. And here's where you'll also get to receive top-notch training from an experienced maestra who teaches globally, as well as in the conservatories in Spain. I put the link to the workshop schedule below so you can have a look at it or contact me directly if you need more information. We'll also have a showcase on Sunday, 19th November, and here's where you'll get to enjoy Spanish music, dance together with live music. It's also nice when the audience can interact up close and personal with us in a friendly ambiance. Workshop participants will be sharing the dances that they learned during the week with Paloma, and dancers will also get to present some repertoire that we've been learning from her for the past recent years, and now it's our chance to bring it up, share it, and collaborate with our music collaborators. And on that note, I'm really happy to introduce some of Singapore's talented musicians, Natalie Ng, classical pianist, Amanda Lee, jazz pianist, and the Singapore Tremolo strings. So all of us will reunite on Sunday, 19th November. Don't miss out on this friendly ambiance to get to know the artists, chat in a relaxed ambiance, and enjoy some F&B. So this season, before the year ends, let's enjoy dance, music, and culture. There's something for everyone, so explore greatly. And may our hearts be greatly uplifted by the spirit of our community.